How much should you actually spend on a canister vacuum for pet hair? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner. The Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner caught my eye right away with its powerful features and lightweight design. Priced at just $82.99, it's a bestseller for a reason. If you want an affordable option that tackles pet hair on both carpets and hard floors, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 12-amp motor delivers continuous, powerful suction, which means it can easily tackle stubborn pet hair without losing power. With a dust bag capacity of 2.5 liters, you won't be emptying it every few minutes. Plus, it comes with 2 extension wands and specialty attachments for those hard-to-reach areas, making it perfect for cleaning furniture and stairs. It has a solid 4.3-star rating from over 14,000 reviews, showing that many users are satisfied with its performance. Now, some people complained about its noise level being a bit higher than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a vacuum that cleans well, slight noise might not be a deal breaker. It's more about the performance when picking up that pet hair. This is perfect for you if you want an effective vacuum at a budget price. Skip this one if you prefer a quieter machine or need advanced features. Now, if the Eureka's noise bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach, the iVac Home Touchless Vacuum. Product number 2, iVac Home Touchless Vacuum. Next up, we have the iVac Home Touchless Vacuum priced at $149. This unique vacuum caught my attention with its hands-free operation. If you're tired of bending down to pick up pet hair, this is definitely worth a serious look. The iVac activates automatically with infrared sensors, making it super convenient for quick cleanups. It has a powerful 1000W motor that instantly removes dust and pet hair from all hard floors, saving you time and effort. Its 4-liter capacity means less frequent emptying, which is a big plus for busy pet owners. With a 4.6-star rating from over 15,000 reviews, it's clear that many find it a game changer for home cleaning. Now, some users mention that it can be a little tricky to position correctly so it activates properly. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it becomes a breeze. It's perfect for those who want to avoid the hassle of traditional vacuuming. This is perfect for you if you have a busy household and want a quick cleaning solution. Skip this one if you have mostly carpeted floors, as it's designed for hard surfaces. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for deep carpet cleaning. The Bissell 2254 CleanView. Product number 3, Bissell 2254 CleanView. Next, let's talk about the Bissell 2254 CleanView, which sells for $169.99. This vacuum stood out to me because it's designed specifically for pet hair removal. If you have furry friends that shed a lot, this is worth considering. This vacuum features a triple-action brush roll, which is engineered to loosen, lift, and remove embedded pet hair and dirt. It also has a large capacity dirt tank, allowing you to clean longer without interruptions. The automatic cord rewind feature is a nice touch, making storage quick and easy. With a rating of 4.5 stars from over 103,000 reviews, it's clear this vacuum performs well with pet hair. Now, some reviewers noted that the vacuum can be a little heavy to move around. Here's the thing, while it might take a bit more effort to push, the powerful suction makes it worth it for deep cleaning. It's a reliable option for serious pet owners. This is perfect for you if you have multiple pets and need something that can handle heavy shedding. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter vacuum for quick cleanups. Now, if Bissell's weight is a concern, let's check out the Eureka Whirlwind next, which is super lightweight. Product number 4, Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister. The Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister is next on our list at just $79.99. This one grabbed my interest because of its bagless design and lightweight build. If you're looking for something easy to maneuver, this is worth a serious look. Weighing only 8.15 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly easy to handle, even on stairs. The integrated airflow control on the handle lets you switch between surfaces effortlessly, which is perfect for homes with both carpets and hard floors. It also features a washable filter, so you won't be spending money on bags. With a 4.3-star rating from 30,000 reviews, it shows good value for pet owners. Now, some users mention that the dust container can fill up quickly. Here's the thing though, if you're regularly using it, emptying it becomes part of the routine and is not a huge hassle. It's a fantastic option for those who want a lightweight vacuum. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly and easy-to-use canister vacuum. Skip this one if you prefer a vacuum with a larger capacity for extended cleaning. Now, if the Whirlwind's capacity is a concern, let's take a look at the Kenmore 600 series, which offers a powerful clean. Product number 5, Kenmore 600 Series Canister Vacuum. Lastly, we have the Kenmore 600 Series Pet-Friendly Vacuum, priced at $289.99. This vacuum is a standout for pet owners due to its powerful suction and multiple attachments. If you want a thorough clean, this is worth considering. The dual motor system provides superior suction power, making it easy to lift stubborn pet hair. The included Pet Powermate attachment specifically targets pet hair on furniture and carpets, ensuring no hair is left behind. It also has a HEPA filtration system that traps 99.97% of dirt, which is great for allergy sufferers. Despite its higher price point, it has a solid 4.1-star rating from over 12,300 reviews, showing it's effective. Now, some users found it a bit bulky and heavy. Here's the thing though, if you need a vacuum that tackles pet hair effectively, the weight might be a small price to pay for powerful performance. It's ideal for anyone serious about cleaning. This is perfect for you if you have multiple pets and need a deep cleaning vacuum. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight option for quick pickups. So there you have it. The Eureka 3670M is a budget-friendly option. The iVac offers touchless convenience. The Bissell 2254 excels in pet hair removal. The Eureka Whirlwind is lightweight, and the Kenmore 600 series is powerful for deep cleaning. Each of these vacuums has its strengths, so consider your specific needs when choosing the best one for your home.